feel about this and being fully respectful of the sovereign decisions that the United States might make or that any other country might make. Grupo Imagen. One more thing I forgot to mention.
So America will defend itself, respectful of the sovereignty of nations and the rule of law.
And I want to convey my thanks to the Judiciary Committee, led by Chairperson Leahy, for conducting a respectful and timely hearing, and to all members of the Senate for approving the President's selection.
All right. Can I say this, though? Randy, I appreciate your question, the respectful way you asked it, and by the way, I believe in the Constitution, too. So America will defend itself, respectful of the sovereignty of nations and the rule of law. But I'm also respectful that people of different faiths can practice their religion, even if they don't subscribe to the exact same notions that I do, and that they are still good people, and they are my neighbors, and they are my friends, and they are fighting alongside us in our battles, and trying to make sure that in a democracy, everybody's able to come to the table, express their opinions, and do that in a respectful way, that we're still able to solve problems. That's challenging. We have been a partner there as Colombia dealt with some very difficult times and has now blossomed into a strong democracy that is respectful of human rights and is moving forward vigorously to provide economic opportunity for all of its people. We are deeply respectful of the outstanding leadership that Prime Minister Khan has provided during a time of great crisis in his country.
It was fully respectful and productive, I would say.
We committed to working together and making sure that rather than this being a source of tension between our two countries, that it can be a source of strength for us working together in a constructive and a respectful way. We are going to need a political transition in that region, and we're going to continue to strategize on how we can effectively change the calculus inside the country so that we can have a Syria that is intact, that is respectful of all groups, that ends the killing, and that allows for a representative government that can provide peace and prosperity for everybody there. We partner.